When life feels heavy, I eat light. This clear Korean soybean sprout soup, it wraps your soul in warmth. Even your stomach gets the memo. And I'm going to show you a little Korean secret that makes all the difference. See these little skins floating around? Those are from the beans at the tip of the sprout. They are not dirt, don't worry, just part of the process. The secret to a healing bowl? Just give them space. Either keep the lid fully on or leave it off. No in between. This small bit of care keeps the scent fresh and the flavor clear. It's what makes this simple soup perfect.